Hello friends, welcome to World. Are you looking for a plasma cutting machine that is powerful, portable and delivers clean, precise cuts? So today we are introducing the inverter plasma cutting machine. 60 amps of cutting power with inverter technology and outstanding performance. Cutting torch and cables for precise metal cutting. So this is our main unit, robust body and compact design with a built-in air plasma pump. An air filter regulator for correct pressure and clean air. Spare consumables such as nozzles, electrodes, instruction manual to guide you through setup quickly. So this is it's lighter and more energy efficient. Because of its inverter technology, it's lighter and more energy efficient than traditional heavy machines. Its compact design makes it perfect for both workshop and on-site work. With 60 amps of cutting power, it can handle thick metal sheets with ease. So let's talk about features and functions. Here are its key features. High cutting capacity with 60 amps of output. It can cut 10 to 15 mm. Inverter technology. Lower power consumption, stable arc and lighter design. Clean and precise cuts, minimal slag, cleaner edges and less grinding needed. Air control system. Built-in or supplied air filter keeps pressure and air quality stable for consistent cutting. Earth clamp for workpiece connections. Its digital display and easy controls makes current and pressure settings clearly visible for quick adjustments. Multi-protection overheat. Its multi-protection system control overheat, overcurrent and low air pressure alarms ensure safety and durability. And its lightweight torch, easy to hold and comfortable for long jobs. And now talk about performance and ease of use. The biggest strength of this machine is its smooth and fast cutting performance. Whether you are cutting steel, stainless steel or aluminium, it produces clean cuts with minimal slag. The torch is easy to handle and adjusting the settings or connecting air supply is simple. Beginners can quickly learn to use it while professionals will appreciate its high performance. So friends, that was the unboxing, feature rundown and performance overview of the inverter plasma cutting machine. So if you have any query, you can comment us and you can visit our site www.cruxwell.com. Thank you.